Hey guys, this is Maria from showaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to record a slow motion video on TikTok. If you want to point your audience's attention to a specific thing in your TikTok video, then you can easily do it by recording a slow motion video. Just follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once the camera window opens, find the speed icon on the right-hand side and click on it. Now choose the speed for your video from options that pop up at the bottom of the screen. In order to make a slow motion video, use the 0.3x or 0.5x speed. When you're ready to start recording a video, simply hit the button. Don't forget that you can add a sound, apply effects, filters, write something or insert stickers. After that, press on the next button and post your slow motion video. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to record a slow motion video on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showaysocial.com.